Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with US Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To begin, open the US Bank mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu on the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Send Money option. Next, choose Zelle from the list. If this is your first time using Zelle, you will need to enroll. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Zelle account. You may be asked to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Choose the contact method where you want to receive notifications. Once you've entered the required information, tap Continue. Next, you'll need to verify your mobile number or email. Look for a verification code sent to your chosen method. Enter the code in the app to complete the verification process. After verification, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, tap on Send Money within the Zelle section. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to send. Add a note if you'd like to specify the purpose of the payment. Review the details and tap Send. Once sent, the recipient will receive a notification. To receive money, share your registered email or phone number with your sender. That's it. You are now ready to use Zelle with US Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.